RPD's official statement is that they, quote, investigate all reported crimes, including alleged abductions. But they say different stuff in person.
I've asked RPD to go address the mental health board and explain to them their policy of not investigating an abduction, which is taking control of someone by violence, threat of violence, or deception, if the deception is under oath to a family court judge. So the mental health agency thinks that if I can actually prove an abduction, the police will do something, but they won't. And I've asked Radford Police Department, because they have their meetings in Radford, to come down there and address more on that, and you've also refused to do that.
Well, their police department doesn't dictate how the mental health system in Virginia. That's out of our control.
I understand that, but they're saying that a mentally ill person would say the Radford police, or just the police in general, don't investigate this type of abduction, as a broad statement. To which
I get what you're saying. That is frustrating, but there are some cases where that is true. You do realize that as well.
Article 1, Section 7 of Virginia's Constitution. Laws should not be suspended by any authority without consent of the representatives of the people. But why are they violating the Constitution to protect child abductors? Social Security Act, Title 4, Section D. Section 454, State Plan for Child and Spousal Support. Section 455, Payments to the States. A. Equal to the percentage specified in paragraph 2 of the total amounts expended by such state during such quarter for the operation of the plan approved under Section 454. The state is reimbursed by the federal government for what they spend in collecting child support. That's why here in Section 5 it says payments must be made to the state and not to the family. Section 458, Incentive Payments to the State. 3A, once again, reimbursing the state for expenditures for collecting child support. C, State Collection Base, 2 times the sum of the amount of support collected during a fiscal year. The government gives the state money based on how much money they collect in child support. Treatment of interstate collections. If you live in one state, but the child lives in a different state, both states get the incentive payment. The amount of child support collected is so important to the state of Virginia that it is proudly displayed on the DSS homepage. In 2009, when all this was going down, the per capita income in Radford was less than Harlan, Kentucky, and less than somewhere in Puerto Rico. Did one of you tell RPD not to investigate child abduction so the city can make money on it? Or, with 3 cops arrested in 3 years, maybe you've just lost control of your police force.